Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Karansan Yakob Thay Bhabriu Miss Meghalaya but Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 Kabalalong Hanong Ba Shillong Kalasaki Yagi Khat Khandai Ngut Ki Thay Samla Kiba Yakun Haganega Jing Yakob Hagabaka Samla Stella Khongsngi Kala Yopong Yakapang Snyat Miss Meghalaya 2023 Kasamla Stella Khongsngi Gadega Samla Kabadang Puli Yaga Bachelor of Science Haga Mathematics Ha St. Mary's College Shillong Nalor ka nam la adu kani kasamla kala yora ru ya ka nam Miss Personality but Miss Catwalk. Ya ka kerdan ka baar la yora da kasamla lamikerd khar kat ba ya ka kerdan ka balai la yora da kasamla Sunny Jai Jai Kriem. Haba pai pat shakajing Yakob Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 ya ka nam la adu la yora da kasamla Angelina Jackson kabadang khat prasnem karata. Kabadang Puli ha St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong napdeng ki khat prangut ki thei samla ki ba yakun hagane karansan yaganam ka baar la yora da ka samla Gracie Nandi bat ka samla Denise Kharkongor kala yora ya ka kerdan ka balai ka samla Stella Khongsngi ka bala job ya ka nam Miss Meghalaya kala yora ya ka kusnam da ka song pisa ka ba shilak tingka Kat baga samla Angelina kaba job ya ka nam Miss Teen Meghalaya kala yora ya ka kusnam kaba arpusan hajar tingka. Kini ki arngut ki thei bhabriu ki ba yora ya ka nam la do haga Miss Meghalaya 2023 but Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 kin yolat ban mi ikhmat ya ka jilla Meghalaya ha ki beauty pageants ki ban salong ha keleng ki jilla jongkathain lamingi bat hapo India.
And your Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 is none other than contestant number 11. Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Angelina.
We would also like to request our organizers to kindly hand our winners their check. Thank you so much to all the contestants. Thank you so much for your participation. We do wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you so much and a very big congratulations for participation here. Thank you.
Cut check. Ladies, you can take your final walk. Your winners for Miss Teen Meghalaya, everybody!
Now we will start with the second runners-up. To crown and to felicitate the second runner-up, we humbly request and we would like to welcome on stage our reigning queen, second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2022. I am sorry. We would like to welcome on stage Ma'am Rochelle Mitsin-Walang to crown the second runner-up for Miss Meghalaya 2023. Ma'am Rochelle? Yes. We would also like to invite on stage Sir Brian Walang. Sir Brian Walang will also be giving away the check. So, are we ready? Yes? Any guesses? Second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. Louder. So the second runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, goes to contestant number
16, Sunny Jai Jai. Yes, that's you. Sir Brian, can we please have you on stage along with the check?
Sir Brian, are you anywhere around?
Come on, audience. She's your second runners-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. $25,000 goes to second runners-up. Congratulations. Thank you, Ma'am Rochelle. Thank you.
Stand there. First runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023. To crown and to sash the first runner-up, we would like to invite on stage Miss Jessica Olivet Karluki. She was Miss Meghalaya first runner-up 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give her a warm round of applause.
Dada, can we have some soft music in the background, please?
And the winner for the first runner-up, Miss Meghalaya 2023, goes to contestant number... Louder. Contestant number 13, Miss Larisika. Miss Lamikar. A very big congratulations. We humbly request the remaining 3 contestants, if you can please move towards that side. Yes, closer to each other. Yes, please move. Yes, to that side. Yes. Right. Okay.
All right. All right. Yes. All right. Before we crown the new Miss Meghalaya 2023, let us give a moment to our reigning Miss Meghalaya 2022 with her final work. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Irene Dakhar. Thank you so much, Irene, for making us so proud. And the moment of truth. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense joy to announce the winner of Miss Meghalaya 2023. And she is Stella!
Contestant number 10, Miss Stella Khongsngi.
Stella, our new Miss Meghalaya 2023! Congratulations, Stella, the new Miss Meghalaya 2023!
We would also like to invite on stage the winners of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023. We humbly request the winners of Miss Teen to kindly come on stage.
Audience, these are your winners of 2023. Miss Teen winners and Miss Meghalaya.
Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay these arms.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, your winners for Miss Meghalaya. Thank you so much. All of you audience, thank you so much for being here. This means a lot to all the contestants. Thank you so much to all the sponsors. Thank you so much for making this event possible. Thank you to the lights. Thank you to the sound. And thank you to everyone who has made this day possible. Thank you so much.